Hello everyone. Here we are going to divide and repot Drosera prolifera. And I always add peat moss, perlite, and sphagnum moss. So I ended up dividing them into two different pots. And overall they look like they're doing good, except that next time I'm going to have to buy the next size up because it looks like the container is a little bit small. So I'm going to have to put it actually in a bigger size container. So when I have to repot them next year. Thank you so much for watching my carnivorous plants. Have a great day. Bye.